Okay, welcome to the fourth lecture on semiconductor electronics. So last lecture बहुत बेसी comedy है गल. In this lecture we will try to cover up those जिबुर थाकी गल बाकी रही गल. Okay. So just have a quick revision of the last class. There we have learned what is PN junction. So PN junction is nothing but when a P-type semiconductor is joined with an N-type semiconductor, then a PN junction is formed. Correct. Then we have learned depletion region. So depletion region diagram this is the depletion region. Depletion region is nothing but the space charge region around the PN junction. Correct. Then we have learned about diffusion current and drift current. Diffusion current is the current which arises due to the concentration gradient, and drift current the current which arises due to electric field. Okay. Then what is barrier potential? The potential difference between the two sides of the junction is called barrier potential. Okay, and one more thing you should know is that in the depletion region, here in the depletion region, a major portion on the diagram, there is no mobile charge carrier. Okay, that thoka jigita hole and electron ase all are stationary. With this we can move to the next. So this is a diode. Right, in the definition of diode, a diode is basically a PN junction with two metallic strips connected both its ends for the application of voltage supply. So diode ki hoy? It is the PN junction hoy. This diagram was taken from your NCERT book. Okay. So it is the PN junction hoy. On this PN junction, if we attach two metallic contact like this one on both sides, then a diode is formed. Okay. And this is the symbolic representation of diode. You should write down this definition, this point along with these two diagrams. Okay, except this emoji. This you don't have to draw. Okay, so this is the symbolic representation of the diode, and here this arrow direction represents the direction of current. All. So this the first diagram, first it is here. So this one is the this one is actually how a diode looks. That you will find too many diodes in your physics laboratory. I'll show you. And the symbolic representation, this side represents P and this side represents N side. Okay, this side is P side, this side is N side. This you have to remember. Okay. Then what is biasing of a diode? So the potential barrier can be altered. Altered means changed. So the potential barrier can be altered by applying a voltage across the diode, and this procedure is called biasing of a diode. Okay. So ki koisle metallic strip duta lagaisilo to a PN junction, then it becomes a diode. Metallic strip kiya lagaisilo to supply voltage. Okay. So if we supply voltage, then voltage means battery. This so battery positive or negative thake. Okay. So battery positive or negative upon depend kori ami diode tok beleg hisabe kaam koribo paro. This process is called biasing. Okay. So there are two methods of biasing. One is called forward biasing and another is called reverse biasing. Okay. In this context, we will learn what is forward biasing and what is reverse biasing. So this is actually something you should know from your first part of the book, but it so I'll just remind you. You have to just remember. So this is the symbol of a battery or a voltage supply. How a voltage supply battery look like this one, first diagram. Here this dighol side to ki hoy positive and horu side to negative hoy, and hodai dighol aru chuti eneke eta pair thakibo. The difference between this diagram and this diagram is that the battery power in the first diagram is less than compared to this one. Here duta ase nai, eta dighol eta chuti, eta dighol eta chuti, hodai eneke thakibo lagibo. Jodi ami tinta lagabo bisarisu, eta dighol eta chuti, eta dighol eta chuti, ako eta ami lagai dibo lagibo. Okay. So eitu hagol general symbol of battery. And SI unit of electric current is ampere. It is denoted by capital A. Other units may be microampere, that means 10 to the minus 6, and that milliampere, it may be milliampere also, that means 10 to the minus 3. Okay. And this line you should write down, this last line you should write down from this page. The potential barrier for germanium is 0.2 volt, or sometimes it may be up to 0.3 volt, and for silicon it is about 0.7 volt. Okay. This line you should write down. Okay. This is important. Potential barrier means the potential barrier ki that potential difference eta ase na, the potential difference at that value is this much. For silicon it is more compared to germanium. Okay, have you written? Okay, let's continue then. So what is forward biasing? So first you write down this definition along with this diagram or this diagram. You can write draw both the diagrams or any one in the exam, choice is yours. So what is forward biasing? When positive terminal of the battery is connected to P side and negative terminal is connected to N side, then the diode is called under forward biasing. Thank you. Forward biasing at ki hoy? This positive terminal of the battery is connected to this P side because this side is positive P side. Okay, tol diagram desa positive terminal number side to ki asle positive terminal is connected to P type and negative terminal is connected to N type. Have you remember last my first video ta question sage P means positive and means negative. Ei kotha ta banai koi asle. Jodi P positive aru N negative hoy, then positive and negative jodi lagai diu, then we will get forward biasing of the diode. Okay, diagram banali and I think we have written the definition also. Okay, let's move then. So this is how a diode works. I will try to explain it here how a diode works. Okay, my pichphala notes di dim, first try to understand. So this first diagram here there is no biasing, that means yate ko ami battery supply kora nai. Okay, this side is P side where there are more number of holes and this side is N side where there are more number of electrons. When I say electron or holes, that means I am talking about free electrons and free holes. But in between this region, a major region dot ki hoise, this region, this is the depletion region where there are immobile electrons and immobile holes. Correct? This on the P side there is one electron which is minority carrier and this N type there is one hole which is minority carrier, and P type all these holes are majority carrier and these all electrons on N type are majority carrier. Correct? And then these electrons on P side and these holes on N side, they cannot move from one position to another because they are immobile. Okay, and this difference of so there is a electric field generated last video ami hikislo, and there will be one potential difference which is called potential barrier, because of which further movement of these holes or further movement of these electrons from one side to another is ki koise oppose kori thise jabo nidiye. Okay, because of this potential barrier. Ami jodi kiba eta kori potential barrier to bhangi dibo paru, then electron or holes ifale free to move hoi jabo kane free hoi jabo. Jodi ami ekhon you just think about this as a wall, jodi wall nisna wall khon ami bhangi dibo paru, then ki hobo ifale move koribo, tetia we will get current. This is our primary concern here. Okay, so what happens when this P side is connected to a positive terminal and N side is connected to a negative terminal as shown in this diagram, second diagram, P side positive, N side negative. What will happen is that positive repulsion hoy. So this positive charge, if positive, this positive will repulse this positive charge on P type. Theli bothabo. So on the first diagram see, jodi efale moi ekhini theli aso hole khini ki hobo, they will recombine with these electrons. Correct? At the same time, efale thoka electron khini ki hobo, negative to theli ase nai, because of which this electron will recombine with these holes. To ki hoi gol eneko eta layer form hobo nai, eta jodi recombine hoi jay eta layer komi gol, that means wall khon horu hoi gol nai. Prothome sa wall khon bahut dangor asle, thickness to bahut beshi asle, to wall or thickness to komi gol nai. Ami jodi aru kon beshi supply kori wall khon to ekebare naikia hoi thakibo, tetia ki hoi jabo, all the electrons from this side will move to this side and holes from will this side to move this side, and here jodi electron keta pai jay hi, these will be collected by this positive charge. Positive efale electron eneke goi efale ahi jabo, efale hole khini eneke goi ek pak ghuri jaibo. So there will be conduction of current. Bujili nai buja? Okay, let's repeat again. So ki ase battery connection nohuar agote efale P side holes ase, this side electron ase, ekhini move koribo nware on the first diagram. Jodi ami efale kiba eta positive eta apply kori do, then this positive will repel this positive charges, due to which they will recombine with these electrons. At the same time, this side, this negative terminal will repel these negative charges and they will recombine with this positive ions here. Okay, due to this recombination, the width of this depletion region will reduce. Jodi width to komi jay, then these electrons can jump from here n type to p type, and these holes can jump from p type to n type, completing the circuit. Enegwage ki hobo, electron khini enege ahibo, hole khini enege ahibo, they will complete the circuit and there will be flow of current. Understood? Jodi bujibo na ko repeat kor. Okay, and moi jibo error dekhai ase enege enege ebo bujibo try kor, copper kole goi ase. Hol? Let's write down then. So these are the things you should write. You write down. You first draw. Okay, you first draw this diagram, first diagram. Below that you draw this second diagram. Easily draw for positive negative charge diya par eneke dot you can write down positive or negative. Then write down working and write down these lines. Okay, moi jitu bujalo hetu beleg aru etu likha to beleg, exam eneke likhibo lagibo. So under forward bias, the direction of applied voltage is in a direction opposite to that of the potential barrier set up at the junction. As a result of this, the depletion layer width decreases and barrier height is reduced. Due to the applied voltage, the electrons from the n side cross the depletion region and reach the p side. Similarly, the holes from the p side reach the n side. This motion of charge carriers on either side of the junction gives rise to current, and which is usually measured in milliampere. Current value to come thake. Okay, this is usually measured in milliampere. You can pause the video here and write down all the things on this slide. Hol jodi buja nai moi akobar koi disu, I think bohote buja nai aru etu buji pale next to easy hoy jabo. Same khini ke repeat koru jano. Okay, ekone. So ki hobo, first this positive charge jodi positive connect kori dio terminal battery positive repel hobo, and this positive charge will move to this side jabole try koribo, wire khon par hobo try koribo. At the same time, this negative terminal will repel these electrons to and force them to move that side, due to which lahe depletion region will decrease, the width of the depletion region will decrease, and I think enekora time o ahibo pare jetia there will be no depletion region at all. Tete ki hobo, p aru n eketai bani jabo, and there will movement of charge carriers on either side. Efalo ba eneke jabo, efalo ba eneke ahibo, by and they will complete this circuit. This is called electric circuit. They will complete this circuit. Eta loop complete kori dibo, and that's how they will conduct. And this, because of this, current will arise, and this current is usually measured in milliampere. Understood? Okay, buji pali sake, bahut easy asle, moi alop confusing kori disu jodi, I am sorry for that. Okay, next, reverse biasing. First asle forward biasing, this is reverse biasing. To agoto just ulta hobo, when negative terminal of the battery is connected to p side and positive terminal is connected to n side, then the diode is said to be in the reverse bias. Okay, so ki hoise sa, negative terminal yat lagai dile, positive efal lagai dile. Okay, so tolado banab paro, you can draw both and write down this definition also. Let's try to understand how this works. So this first diagram is same, prothoma diagram to same hoy. To yat ami ki korim, reverse bias koribo lage. First you should remember, reverse bias keneke kore, positive logot negative logai ase. Jodi moi positive logot yat negative logai dio, ei negative to ki hobo, ei positive kera gori tani anibo nai. This positive negative terminal will attract all these holes. To ki hobo, hole kera jodi ulai ahe, electron khini efala ahi thikibo na, electron khini hole piche bhagibo nai. At the same time, efalo ki hobo, n side efalo positive side to ki koribo, electron tani loi anibo. Tete yat goteibo plus bani jabo na, karon deficiency of electron hoy gol no, so plus bani jabo. Then ki hobo, the width of the depletion region will increase, bahi jabo. Okay, to wall khon prothomate iman prothomate to normal duta layer asile wall or keta hoy gol, tinta layer hoy gol, to wall khon dangor hoy gol nai, to current keneke jabo hol. But etia ahibo ei minority carrier keta, ei minority carrier ase in the p side there were this electron, and there is this n type of ki asle, ta hole asle, hihoteo ifale move koribo nai. Because of this movement, there will be current. But this current is very small, even smaller than the previous one. Okay, let's first write. So write down this one, how a reverse bias diode works. The direction of applied voltage is same as that of the barrier potential. Agar the ulta asle yat same hoy. As a result, the barrier height increases and the depletion region widens due to change in electric field. This suppresses the flow of electron from N region to P region and holes from P region to N region. So the electric field direction of the P junction is such that, this line is important here, the electric field direction of the junction is such that if electron on P side or holes on N side in their random motion comes close to the junction, they will be swept to its majority zone. This gives rise to a current of few microampere. Micro means 10 to the minus 6. Okay, let's try to understand this again. A last point to bujiba try karo. Prothomte ki hobo, এই ইলেক্ট্রন কেটা গুটেটা এফাল টানি লৈ আনিব, হোল কেটা গুটেটা এফাল টানি লৈ আনিব, হল। বাট এই যেটো ইলেক্ট্রনটো আছিল, এই ইলেক্ট্রনটো কি হ'ব, এই ইলেক্ট্রনটো এই ফালৰ পৰা টানি আছে নাই, পজিটিভ টাৰ্মিনেল এফালে আছিল, পজিটিভ হল যাব বিচাৰি ন, তো এই ইলেক্ট্রনটো টানি লৈ যাব, এই হোলটোক এইফালে টানি লৈ যাব। সো এই ডিপ্লিশন ৰিজনটো ক্ৰছ কৰিলে নাই, ডিপ্লিশন ৰিজনটো ক্ৰছ কৰিলে টাইম বেটাৰি কাৰেণ্ট ওলাবই। প্ৰথমতে ক্ৰছ কৰিব পৰা নাছিলে, ৱালখন ডাঙৰ হৈ গ'ল, কিন্তু কি হ'ল মাজতে এইটোকো টানি আছে না, এই পজিটিভ চাৰ্জটো টানি আছে না, এইটোতো মোবাইল আছিলে, ইয়াক টানি আছে। সো যদি ইয়াক এইফালে লৈ যায়, ইয়াক যদি এইফালে ডিপ্লিশন ৰিজনটো ক্ৰছ কৰি দিলে, বিকজ অফ উইচ দেয়াৰ উইল বি স্মল কাৰেণ্ট। ৱালখন ডাঙৰ হৈ গ'ল, কিন্তু মাজতে ক'ৰবাত ফুটা ওলাব, ফুটা ফালে এইটো আৰামছে এটা পাৰ হৈ গুচি যাব। অ'কে, বিকজ অফ দিছ এ স্মল কাৰেণ্ট এৰাইজেছ, অ'কে, হুইচ ইজ অলমষ্ট নেগলিজিবল, বাট দিছ ইজ ভেৰি হিউজ এপ্লিকেশ্যন। অ'কে, so write down this, and this is one bonus point. So RB means reverse bias. Okay, so in reverse bias, current is not much dependent on the applied voltage. Okay, you don't have to write down. Okay, just read this. In reverse bias, current to iman depend nokore on applied voltage. Even a small voltage is sufficient to sweep the minority carrier from one side of the junction to the other side of the junction. Okay, then the current under reverse bias is voltage independent. I mean, battery to kiman diso ta upor depend nokore, but in forward bias it depends up to a critical reverse bias voltage known as breakdown voltage. Eto moi ki hoy goi asu, when applied voltage is equal to the breakdown voltage, the diode reverse current increases sharply. If the current is not limited, the PN junction will get disturbed. So eto I am coming to this. So actually ki hoy sir, this one is the forward bias, this one is the reverse bias. Let's take that this whole diagram to sir. Eto normal asle where there is no biasing, correct? ইয়াতে কো biasing নাই আমাৰ, হল। যদি ফৰৱাৰ্ড বায়াস কৰো কি হ'ব, আমি পজিটিভ চাৰ্জখিনি যিমানে জোৰে ঠেলিব পাৰো, এণ্ড দিছ সাইড ইলেক্ট্ৰনখিনি যিমানে জোৰে ঠেলিব পাৰো, সিমানে ডিপ্লিশন ৰিজনটো কমি আহিব। যদি এইটো আমি এনেকৈ সৰু কৰিবলৈ বিচাৰো কি হ'ব, ডিপ্লিশন ৰিজনটো কমি যাব। ডিপ্লিশন ৰিজন কমি গ'লে কি হ'ব, কাৰেণ্টটো বাঢ়ি বাঢ়ি গৈ থাকিব, ৱালখন যিমানে পাতল হৈ যাব সিমানে কাৰেণ্ট বেছিকৈ ফ্লো হ'ব, কাৰেক্ট। সো এইটো কাৰ ওপৰত ডিপেণ্ড কৰিছে, কিমান জোৰে আমি ইয়াক ঠেলিছোঁ ইফালৰ পৰা সিফালে, কাৰ ওপৰত ডিপেণ্ড কৰি আছে, ইট ইজ ডিপেণ্ডিং অন দিছ বেটাৰী। দেট মিনছ দ্য এক্সটাৰ্নেল ভল্টেজ, দিছ বেটাৰী ইজ এক্সটাৰ্নেল ভল্টেজ আমি এপ্লাই কৰি আছোঁ, ইট ইজ ডিপেণ্ডিং অন এক্সটাৰ্নেল ভল্টেজ, হল। বাট হিয়াৰ ইন দ্য এন চাইড ইউ চি, এনত চা, দ্য ৰিভাৰ্ছ বায়াছত চা, ৰিভাৰ্ছ বায়াছত কি হৈ আছে, আমি বেটাৰীটো এপ্লাই কৰিলোঁ, তেতিয়াহ'লে ৱালখন ডাঙৰ হৈ গ'ল, হল। বাট যিকেইটা মাইনৰিটি কেৰিয়াৰ এইকেইটা সোমাই আছিল, দিছ মাইনৰিটি কেৰিয়াৰ্ছ বেটাৰী এপ্লাই কৰিলেও নকৰিলেও সিহঁতে আৰামছে ফুটা এটা বিচাৰি মাজৰ ফালে সোমাই পাৰ হৈ আহিয়ে যাব। অ'কে, বেটাৰীটোৰ ওপৰত ইমান বেছি ডিপেণ্ড কৰা নাই, সেইকাৰণে কি হয়, ইন ৰিভাৰ্ছ বায়াছ দ্য কাৰেণ্ট ইজ নট ডেট মাছ ডিপেণ্ডেণ্ট অন দ্য এক্সটাৰ্নেল ভল্টেজ ছাপ্লাই, বাট ইন ফৰৱাৰ্ড বায়াছ ইট ইজ ডিপেণ্ডিং, হল। দেন আৰু কি হ'ব পাৰে, যদি আমি বেটাৰীটো ইন ৰিভাৰ্ছ বায়াছ, ইউ চি দিছ ডায়েগ্ৰাম, ইন ৰিভাৰ্ছ বায়াছ যদি বেটাৰীটো যদি আমি বেছিকৈ এপ্লাই কৰি থাকোঁ, যদি বেটাৰীটো আমি বেছি এপ্লাই কৰি থাকোঁ, কি হ'ব, বেছি জোৰে এইখন বহলকৈ টানি আনিব নাই, ইয়াক এনেকৈ বহলকৈ টানি আনিব নাই, দিছ পাছত এইখিনি এইফালে ডাঙৰ হৈ আহিছে, এইখিনি এইফালে ডাঙৰ হৈ আহি আছে, বেছি ডাঙৰ হৈ যাব। যদি বেছি ডাঙৰ হৈ যায়, আমি একচুৱেলি কি কৰি আছোঁ, আমি চিলিকনৰ ষ্ট্ৰাকচাৰটোৰ যিকেইটা মাইনৰিটি চাৰ্জ কেৰিয়াৰ আছিলে, ইয়াৰ যিকেইটা ভেলেন্স ইলেক্ট্ৰন আছিলে, কোভেলেন্ট বণ্ড আছিলে, কোভেলেণ্ট বন্ড কেইডাল ভাগি যাব বেছি জোৰে টানি দিলে আৰু তেনেকৈ মনত থ'ব পাৰোঁ অ'কে কোভেলেণ্ট বন্ড কেইটা ভাগি যাব চ' যদি কোভেলেণ্ট বন্ডটো ভাগি গ'ল তেতিয়াহ'লে কি হ'ব দ্য ডায়ড উইল গেট ডেমেজ চ' দ্য ভল্টেজ এট হুইচ অল দ্য কোভেলেণ্ট বন্ড ব্ৰেকছ এণ্ড দ্য ডায়ড গেটছ ডেমেজ ইজ কল্ড ব্ৰেকডাউন ভল্টেজ এণ্ড এট ব্ৰেকডাউন ভল্টেজ কি হ'ব কোভেলেণ্ট বন্ড চব ভাঙি দিলোঁ মিনছ there are huge number of free electrons because of which there will be a very high increase in the current. Well, so this is just a bonus point. Then the basic 9x arrow. So this is a small revision of, or you can take it as a small note from my side. So আগতে এখিনি লিখিলোৱে মই জাষ্ট কি কথা মনত থ'ব লাগে from this lecture this I have written here. So in forward bias FB means forward bias. In forward bias battery positive is connected to P set and negative is connected to N set. Then in forward bias width of the depletion region decreases. Remember each and every point here. The current produced is in the milliampere range. Okay, and okay, this I have written one mistake here. I have done one mistake. Okay, please rectify this one. This should be in reverse bias in RB. In reverse bias battery positive is connected to N side and negative is connected to P side. Okay, you please rectify this one. Huh? This should be reverse bias. Then here also again this is reverse bias. This green portion is for reverse bias only. So in reverse bias width of the depletion region increases. প্ৰথমতে কমিছিলে ইয়াত বাঢ়িছে then the current produced is in the microampere range. Okay, and so এটা microampere হয় এটা milliampere হয়. Which one is more? Milliampere is more than microampere. Okay, so forward bias current is more than reverse bias current. Okay, so in the next coming up in the next video we will learn the graph and graph কিছুমান শিকিম কেনেকৈ বনাই কি হয় actually here we are doing nothing but যেটো ব্যাটাৰী আসলে ব্যাটাৰীটো আমি বেলেগ বেলেগ বহাই চাইছো এবাৰ 10 ভোল্ট বহাই চাইছো এবাৰ 20 ভোল্ট বহাই চাইছো তেনেকৈ we are changing the battery. Okay, ব্যাটাৰীটো যদি আমি বেলেগ বেলেগ কৰোঁ তেতিয়ালে কারেন্ট কেনেকৈ চেঞ্জ হ'ব that we are going to discuss. Okay, then the battery voltage is measured by voltmeter and current is measured by ammeter. These are the two devices. Okay, you should know about these two, ammeter and voltmeter. Well, so next video we will discuss something like this, and I think many of you have too many doubts. So those who have doubts from last class and today's class, we will be having one interactive session group wise in the evening. আজি হ'ব পাৰে বা কাইলৈ হ'ব পাৰে the dates and the timing I will notify. Please join those classes. Okay, যদি কাৰোবাৰ ডাউট আছে I think too many of you have doubts, but যদি ভিডিওটো ভালকৈ চাও আৰু মই যিকিটা কথা মনত থ'ব লাগে সেটা মনত থ, then I think it will be very easy. বেছি বৰ হাৰ্ড নহয়, but এক্সামত লিখিবৰ কাৰণে কিছুমান মই অলপ দীঘলীয়াকৈ বনাই দিছো হল. So you can join those interactive session and we can clear your doubts. হ'ব আমি মিল ক্লিয়াৰ কৰি ল'ম সবে নিজৰ ডাউট কি আছে, you can clear your doubts. Okay, thank you for watching. Thank you.